Hey, welcome back to part 3. You can tell I am PO'd on this thing. This thing is, PO'ing me to the max, If this has any freaking type of knee bend, it is horrible on this. They just execute it horrible. It's supposed to, for the whole transformation to vehicle, but you're not going to see it on camera because every single time the leg keeps popping off the freaking ball joint. They need to rework the ball joint. If anything, don't put the legs on a ball joint. Run a freaking metal pin for the hips. That's what they need to do. They don't need to put his little legs on a ball joint. Run a metal pin through there. Metal pin, metal rod, whatever you want to call it. That's what they need to do. That's how they're going to solve this problem that they're having with this. And notice, along the side of its little vehicle mode, if I could get it to... There we go. There's like, I don't know. Some people say Chinese writing, but to me, it does not look anything like Chinese writing on the door. It looks more like Indian or Hindu or Muslim. I'm not trying to be offensive here. I'm just saying this little writing on the side door of Stakeout doesn't look Chinese. I mean, you might think it's the katakana, like the Chinese kana or katakana, but really, it to me looks more like I said, like Iran, Hindu, Indian, Muslim. It just doesn't scream Chinese, Chinese. Although if you wanted to say actual in English, police, police. Toyhats.com will have you covered for like about, I think like 7 something is the price, and you get like these Westro labels. That's pretty good. I mean, you get a set that covers 2 of these pads, so it covers I believe the Red Alert, Stay Out, the Rescue Patrol pad, and then covers, I believe, also the Sky Strike Patrol pad, if I remember correctly. But yeah, not much. Oh, that guy. This guy, on the other hand, let's see. I hate that his head is kind of covered up by his little top piece there. I wish that they could just fold back or had some kind of more of a gimmick to it. This one, his arms feels a little more stiffer, but more rotation. Up and down. Kind of back and forth there. Legs could go forward, back. Legs are a little more looser on this fitter. On, what's his name? Red Heat. And this one, let's see, you can bend his legs, so he does have kind of the knee bend. Also, back here, you can rotate his